You see, unknown kush thing, yeah. Brown chocolate Russell here, yeah man. And Russell rum too. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah man, see there? Yeah man, that's how we deal with the thing here. The unknown kush, yeah. All type of things. We have purple skunk, we have blueberry, we have what do you call it? Mint weed, we have every bumbo clotting. We can't
Mint weed or bushweed, daddy.
we have to set up it. Yeah, you see it. So, we have everything, yeah. A certain thing set man, no worry no set man. Don't know just come in, unknown, yeah. Unknown, weed business, that's it. We have everything for you. All the foreign of them, yeah man, a certain thing set man. Weed thing, you know?
Big up Mr.
man.
Dubai.
Eh?
Big up Mr. Dubai.
Big up is Dubai, yeah. Baby, big up yourself, yeah. Up man. Stop.